Hey guys, welcome back. As you know, we got into a blizzard, so we had to have a few days delay, but we are heading back on Wednesday at 10 at night. So luckily we got a flight. It took ages to get one because everything was over like 7,500 flights cancelled because of the blizzard. So we had it was delayed and it was cancelled, so we had to go with a different airline. And luckily we're getting out of here on Wednesday. So this is the aftermath. Absolutely mentally crazy. There's a lot of sludge, and I don't want to get into what's going to be happening. It's been absolutely madness.
Are you slipping otherwise? I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. So be careful. I'm not doing that.
You mad? And this is the car.
No.
That's fine. I don't believe it now. My mum trying to get into She's stuck. What? Do not break. Shit. Mum, you little Thank you, lad.
Thank you.
What?
I got stuck in the...
I almost fell. What the fuck? That would have been absolute madness if I fell. That was so crazy. I almost fell. But it's been an absolute adventure. It's freezing cold now, and but when I get back, I will be doing loads of more Shrewsbury videos, guys.
Look at this, Jill.
Oh, just keep on moving.
Oh, what's in here? I've got another water. Please use your door.
And I thought we were going to go to sleep. Oh no. Thank God. It's not even snow.
You a man about tea. Oh my God, Neil. Jesus Christ.
Look at this, guys. Look at that. Oh, you little, I should have done that, bitch. I should have done that. I was trying to show everybody what the aftermath is. The aftermath is so crazy. It's knee deep in snow. No joke. It's so deep. If you do that, you literally gone in. Sophia, do it. Do it.
Show be safe.
Your heart's crying, look.
Sophia? Okay, we'll try and get you some tomorrow, okay?
That's so deep. Okay, we're trying to find a CVS now. In the cold.
Just buy yourself a coffee, get one.
God! Okay,
Buying stuff all the time.
guys, my left hand is absolute bustingly crazy. Cold. Look at that. Guys, look at that big mountain of snow. It looks like there's a Wendigo looking underneath that. Mum, look. That's a fit boy. Holy moly. Guys, I'm going to end it there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the absolute freezing in New York at the moment. When I get back, I will be doing loads of more Shrewsbury videos. Ow, shoot. I'll be doing the Saturday one against Warsaw, so I'll see you guys then. Peace.